Hydroflow LLC presents for global business, industry, and consumers WS, new generation of ferrite electronic water conditioners. We provide proven solutions in the sphere of hard water treatment, protection and removal of organic and inorganic deposits inside the pipes and various equipment. We do this by applying contemporary technologies and materials, using our experience and tailoring it to our customers. High-efficiency patented technology is based on an innovative physico-chemical solution and deep practical knowledge, 15+ years, of use of water conditioners for a number of applications in various regions and water quality. Work of electromagnetic impulses with variable frequency, transferred to the water inside the pipe with the top efficiency 97 to 98% ferrite ring made from the special ferroalloy is used to prevent hard limescale deposits in biofouling. Customer can get significant savings from the use of WS water conditioner. It helps to minimize energy, fuel overruns, reduce non-production downtime, reduce maintenance costs, get rid of premature wear and tear of equipment. Due to slower formation of limescale or deposits, gradual softening and significant removal of existing limescale. Changing of deposit structure cause less chemicals, consumption for cleaning or changing them to more gently ones. The source of these losses is formation of limescale and various types of deposits on the walls of the pipes and equipment. Practice shows preventing of limescale and deposits formation is cheaper than to provide high-quality water purification.